Wait, listen, by 2035, these 10 AI jobs could make you a millionaire. Ready? Some of these jobs don't exist yet, but they're coming. The great displacement is here. AI is destroying millions of jobs, but it's also creating new roles that will make people insanely rich. This isn't about adapting, it's about getting ahead. Here are the top 10 jobs that could make you a millionaire in 2035. The countdown starts now. Number 10, Smart City Engineer. These are the architects of our future cities, designing the AI-powered operating systems that manage traffic, energy, and public safety. By 2035, every major metropolis will compete to become a smart city, pouring billions into contracts for engineers who can make their cities think and adapt. A single contract to overhaul a city's traffic grid could be worth tens of millions. Your skill stack? Master digital twin technology, IoT integration, and urban operations AI. Number 9. AI prompt architect. This isn't just typing questions into a chat box. The AI prompt architect is a high-level strategist who designs the entire communication system between a company and its AI. They create complex prompt chains and set safety policies to get consistently better, faster, and safer results from massive AI investments. A well-architected AI system can double productivity, while a poor one is a financial drain. Top architects will command salaries well over $300K, with bonuses tied directly to performance. Number 8. Robot Maintenance Specialist. As factories and warehouses become fully automated, someone has to keep the new workforce running. This high-tech expert is responsible for the uptime of an entire robotic fleet. They use predictive AI to anticipate failures, 3D print replacement parts, and optimize robot performance. In a world where every second of downtime costs thousands, these specialists are mission-critical. A top specialist could save a factory millions a year, with that value passed directly to them in massive bonuses and premium contracts. Number 7. Virtual World Designer. As the physical and digital worlds merge, these are the architects of our new reality. They build the immersive spaces where people will work, learn, and socialize in VR. Think beyond games. We're talking virtual corporate headquarters, sprawling digital marketplaces, and university campuses. Designing these digital worlds is the new real estate boom. You can lease virtual spaces, mint exclusive experiences, and collect royalties on every transaction within your creation. Imagine designing a concert venue with one stage but infinite seats, accessible to anyone on Earth. To get there, master game engines like Unreal, 3D modeling, and AI-powered asset pipelines. Start by building a portfolio of small VR worlds. It's your ticket to six-figure contracts. Number 6. Cybersecurity Architect. Every new device, every connected car, every smart city is a new door for hackers. The attack surface is exploding, and companies will pay any price for protection. This isn't about just building firewalls. It's about designing resilient, zero-trust systems that assume a breach is inevitable and can neutralize it instantly. Your skills in cloud security, AI threat detection, and incident response will make you indispensable. Security is no longer an IT issue, it's a board-level budget priority, with top architects commanding salaries well over $250K. Prevention beats cleanup every time. Number 5. Data Privacy Lawyer. The rise of AI is creating a legal minefield. From biased algorithms causing discrimination to data breaches of unprecedented scale, AI will trigger massive class action lawsuits. The lawyers who can actually read code, understand machine learning models, and interpret data flows will dominate this new legal frontier. You'll navigate a complex web of global regulations like GDPR and advise companies on how to deploy AI without getting sued into oblivion. The best in this field won't bill by the hour. They'll secure seven-figure retainers from corporations desperate to stay compliant. Number 4. AI Ethics Engineer. This role is the last line of defense between a powerful AI and catastrophic failure. They don't just write code, they build the moral compass for artificial intelligence, ensuring it doesn't destroy a company's reputation, or worse. Your job is to hunt for bias, build safety guardrails, and ensure the AI's decisions are transparent and fair. This is a hybrid of engineering, philosophy, and risk management, and it will command insane salaries. If you can get an AI model to pass strict ethical audits and allow a product to ship, you are priceless to the organization. Top 3 coming up, and number 1 changes everything. Number 3. Space Logistics Manager. As humanity expands to the moon and Mars, someone needs to manage the cosmic supply chain. You'll be the interstellar FedEx, orchestrating the flow of cargo, satellites, and mining hauls between celestial bodies. Your skill stack? Orbital mechanics, supply chain automation, and high-stakes risk management. You'll balance timelines, fuel, and physics with zero margin for error. A single successful asteroid mining contract could net your company billions, with your cut being a seven-figure bonus. Start with a degree in aerospace engineering and certifications in supply chain logistics. You're not just moving boxes, you're building the economy beyond Earth. The contracts? Literally astronomical. Number 2. Biotechnology engineer. In a world where health is the ultimate luxury, you're the architect of life itself. You'll spend your days editing genes to cure hereditary diseases, designing therapies to slow aging, and creating bespoke medicine tailored to an individual's DNA. Your expertise in CRISPR, bioinformatics, and synthetic biology is in high demand. When medicine fits like custom code, patient outcomes don't just improve, they explode. A single patent for a longevity treatment can lead to a multi-billion-dollar acquisition. These breakthroughs bring mega valuations, and your equity stake means life-changing exits. Now, the number 1 job of 2035. Number 1, AI business owner. The real money won't be in working with AI, it will be in owning it. Forget hiring a team of humans. As an AI owner, you deploy autonomous agents that act as your digital employees. You'll need skills in prompt engineering, systems architecture, and business automation. You spin up agents for marketing, sales, and operations at software speed, paying only for compute time. Imagine launching a global service overnight with a workforce of 1,000 AI agents that you built and deployed in an afternoon. This is how you scale faster and more efficiently than any company in history, building a true empire of automation. These are the jobs of the future. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments.